Oh look, we've got log of a single thing, a single log on one side equaling a combination of logs on the other side. So the normal strategy here is to leave this side alone as log to the base a of x and try and compress this into a single log. And you do that in two stages. Focus on this first. A number times a log you can write as log of a single bracket. Use your third law of logs from your notes to fill in that bracket. Minus log to the base a of 3, leave that alone to begin with. And then log to the base a of x is going to equal a log minus a log. Use a different law of logs to get log of a single thing here. And once you've done that, once a log equals a log, you can say that x equals the thing inside this log has got to equal the thing inside these brackets. And that gives you what x is, and it should be 12. That's your end point because this is a show that question. Part B is guess what, a re-entry point. We've now got two logs adding up to 7. We've got to express y in terms of a. Okay, there are two approaches. One approach is to use the same tactics as here, but then you'll have to express 7 as log to the base a of something. And to remember how to do that, you'll have to remember how log statements interrelate with power statements. But if you feel confident to fill in that bracket, you can proceed as you did up here. Or you can leave the 7 alone to begin with, and you can say a log plus a log is log to the base a of some expression involving y equaling 7, using laws of logs. And then we've got a log statement that we need to rearrange into a power statement. Now I strongly recommend reminding yourself memorizing what 2 cubed equals 8 looks like when expressed using logs. This is equivalent to saying log to a certain base of a certain number equals a certain answer. And if you can memorize that, you can then, faced with another log statement, just use the a and the blank and the 7 as your 3 numbers involved over here and change it into a power statement just by copying the way the numbers move around. Okay, see if you can set this up for yourself. Pause the video and do it. I'm assuming you've done that, so you've remembered that the number you're doing a power of is the base of your log, the power you need is the answer to the log, and the number you want to achieve as the answer is inside the log. Log to the base 2 of 8 is asking what power of 2 do I need to make 8, and the answer is 3. So if we've got a and whatever's in that bracket and 7, they follow the 2, 8 and the 3, so you can set up a power statement. And if you do that correctly, then you'll be able to rearrange that so that y is outside the log. Y is, in the end, going to be something you can put on its own, and you'll get y in terms of a as you're requested to do with no logs in sight.